This is Corbin Jones and Jason Vaccarella for our EN 605715 Project 3 demo. We'll detail specifics of our code in the design document, but we have our Arduino sketch program right here and our circuit set up right here.
So our circuit consists of three separate circuits. The two main circuits are the IR collector and the IR emitter, which is just an IR LED. And then this third circuit is a status LED that shines when the when the collector is not seeing any IR from the sensor. So when this line essentially is broken in between them, you can see there's a little gap in the way, or a little light shining. The way the circuit works is this IR LED is always on. There is a resistor in series with the IR LED just to limit the current so that the LED does not get fried. And then the collector, that is essentially has from the power, it has a resistor in between the 5-volt power, and then that connects in series to the collector, which then goes to ground. However, in between the resistor and the collector, there is a digital input prong here. And so what that's going to do is when this sensor is seeing IR, it is allowing current to flow through it and out through ground. So the value at the digital pin will be 0 because the current is flowing through. However, when the IR sensor has the line of sight broken in between that and the LED, it closes it makes an open latch, which does not allow power to flow through or current to flow through to ground. So this digital pin then gets written to high. So essentially the digital pin will be high when there's an object in between the two, and it will be low when there is no gap in between the two. And we have the fan set up here with duct tape so that it sufficiently blocks the light, IR emissions between the LED and the collector, and will allow us to count the RPM. So I'm gonna power up the motor and then put it in between the two, and we'll have an output of RPMs on our code. As you can see in the background, the LED is shining. It looks like it's always on, but that's because the RPM is so high that you can't really see it turn on and off every time the line is broken between the IR and the IR emitter and the IR collector. Right now we're getting some readings, just about 6,750 to 6,800. But yeah, that's essentially our RPM values. And this was our Project 3. Thank you.